We're working on these residual valves. I put all of the residual valves together, so we're going to get them installed. And then that should finish up the brakes. Once we blow out all the lines, technically we could fill the system and pressurize it. But we got to get this stuff on first. Can't see, you're in my way. So with these short runs, gonna have to bend this back to get this fitting on there so we can get it into the tool, and then we'll have to bend it again. So careful. Not quite enough. Son of, maybe an exercise in futility. Don't forget your fittings. Don't forget your fittings. Okay, then we put our fitting on. Damn it. And then we put our other fitting on. Make sure they're facing the right direction. Then this goes in the tool.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I'll grab my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, a good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. A good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. No, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bowed my head to pray. I said, the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know, I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone, don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad, baby, had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, had them all walking blues. I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night, yeah, and all the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. I hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hour seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seemed like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
Okay, so we got all of our residual valves in. These are going to hold 2 psi on the brakes because some of the lines are higher than the master cylinder, so holds the pressure in the lines, and then when you're applying the brakes, you've only got to build up pressure to here, so there won't be as much soft pedal. So this has to come off again because it's in the way. I mean, even though it's out of the way, I don't want to accidentally touch it. So we're pulling this brake line off. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. GoPro, stop recording. So I got them all fitted, put together. I got them all put together. I have them all, I put all of them together. I put all